And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is from the 30 Minutes Sisters line. It's a part set. It's part set number 23. It's called the Valkyrie costume, color C. And as you can see in the box art, it changes your 30 Minutes Sister into a Valkyrie. And basing on the box art, it will just be the hands, the legs, and some part of the costume, but not the body. Unlike all the other costumes where the body is also part of the costume. But hey, that's what you can see in the box art. And off to the side, we see it here, equipped. Of course, it tells you that it's better, or when you make the character, it's better to use SD and Markal. And here it is, fully costumed as a Valkyrie. Off to the other side, here it is, Valkyrie, and again, a blank face, and you need the uh, water slides. Opening up and seeing what's inside the box, I see one bag with grays and flesh tones, another bag with black and white, another bag with black, some dirty blonde, and a multicolored screw, and of course we have here is the instruction manual, where again it will show you how to assemble the costume, and of course if you're going to use the blank face, how to apply the water slide decals. So let's go and see what's individually in each of the screws. Right, first off is the A1 screw. We have some black, some white, and a clear blue. We also have the A2 screw here, blacks and blonde color. The B screw is all black, and we have a C screw which is again all black. The D1 screw is more of a dark fleshy color. We have not just one but two E1s here, yeah. And lastly, not just one but of course two F1s. Yeah, so those are all the screws inside. And there you have it, 30 Minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside this 30 Minutes Sisters option part set number 23 Valkyrie costume. And unlike the other costumes where they provide the body in another costume or some sorts, most of those costumes don't actually have the arms or legs. But this one is more on the arms and legs, as well as I think some parts of the clothing that would make it into a Valkyrie costume. And of course there will be something called a Minerva costume coming up. And this is Mixor saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, leave a video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.